Cardano value equivalent to 6.1141 rands a coin. The present cost range, 5.87376.2318. The earlier day close, 5.9846. The change was plus 0.1295, plus 2.16%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month. Cardano cost forecast on Monday. Walk 20, cost 5.98 rands, high 6.40, low 5.56. Cardano gauge on Tuesday. Walk 21, cost 5.74 rands, high 6.14, low 5.34. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 22, cost 5.71 rands, high 6.11, low 5.31. Cardano gauge on Thursday. Walk 23, cost 5.88 rands, high 6.29, low 5.47. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Friday. Walk 24, cost 6.33 rands, high 6.77, low 5.89. Cardano gauge on Monday. Walk 27, cost 6.06 rands, high 6.48, low 5.64. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk 28, cost 6.29 rands, high 6.73, low 5.85. Cardano gauge on Wednesday. Walk 29, cost 6.20 rands, high 6.63, low 5.77. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 30, cost 5.94 rands, high 6.36, low 5.52. In about 14 days Cardano gauge on Friday. Walk 31, cost 5.93 rands, high 6.35, low 5.51. Cardano cost expectation on Monday. April 3, cost 5.84 rands, high 6.25, low 5.43. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday. April 4, cost 5.79 rands, high 6.20, low 5.38. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday. April 5, cost 5.66 rands, high 6.06, low 5.26. Cardano conjecture on Thursday. April 6, cost 5.58 rands, high 5.97, low 5.19. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Friday. April 7, cost 5.48 rands, high 5.86, low 5.10. Cardano conjecture on Monday. April 10, cost 5.60 rands, high 5.99, low 5.21. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday. April 11, cost 5.37 rands, high 5.75, low 4.99. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday. April 12, cost 5.40 rands, high 5.78, low 5.02. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday. April 13, cost 5.53 rands, high 5.92, low 5.14. In about a month Cardano conjecture on Friday. April 14, cost 5.38 rands, high 5.76, low 5.00. Cardano cost expectation on Monday. April 17, cost 5.19 rands, high 5.55, low 4.83. Cardano figure on Tuesday. April 18, cost 5.15 rands, high 5.51, low 4.79. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for Walk 2023. Before all else cost at 6.42 rands. Excessive cost 6.87, while low cost 5.31. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.13. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.93. Change for spring 7.6%. Cardano figure for April 2023. Before all else cost at 5.93 rands. Excessive cost 6.28, while low cost 4.61. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.67. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.87. Change for April 1.0%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset cost at 5.87 rands. Excessive cost 5.97, while low cost 5.19. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.65. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.58. Change for May 4.9%. Cardano conjecture for June 2023. At the outset cost at 5.58 rands. Excessive cost 6.92, while low cost 5.58. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.14. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6.47. Change for June 15.9%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2023. To start with cost at 6.47 rands. Exorbitant cost 6.47, while low cost 5.05. The found the middle value of cost 5.86. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.43. Change for July 16.1%. Cardano estimate for August 2023. To start with cost at 5.43 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.43, while low cost 4.24. The found the middle value of cost 4.92. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.56. Change for August 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2023. To start with cost at 4.56 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.60, while low cost 4.00. The found the middle value of cost 4.37. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.30. Change for September 5.7%. Cardano estimate for October 2023. To start with cost at 4.30 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.76, while low cost 4.14. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.41. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 4.45. Change for October 3.5%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at 4.45 rands. Excessive cost 4.45, while low cost 3.68. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.14. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 3.96. Change for November 11.0%. Cardano figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 3.96 rands. Excessive cost 4.86, while low cost 3.96. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.33. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 4.54. Change for December 14.6%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at 4.54 rands. Excessive cost 4.54, while low cost 3.54. The found the middle value of cost 4.11. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.81. Change for January 16.1%. Cardano gauge for February 2024. In the first place cost at 3.81 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.81, while low cost 2.98. The found the middle value of cost 3.45. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.20. Change for February 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 3.20 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.20, while low cost 2.50. The found the middle value of cost 2.90. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 2.69. Change for spring 15.9%. ZAR to ADA swapping scale equivalent to 0.1636 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1605-0.1703. The earlier days nearby 0.1671. Change for now 0.0035, 2.09%. ZAR to ADA cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Rand to Cardano conjecture on Monday. WAC 20 cost 0.167 coins, high 0.180, low 0.156. ZAR to ADA expectation on Tuesday. WAC 21 cost 0.174 coins, high